It's not a matter. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes so long.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, today we are going to do a speed clean with me. We are going to get everything done in 1 hour. That is the time that I have to clean, and I think I could get it done. We'll go ahead and kick right into cleaning, and let's go.
I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know?
I put this stuff here so I could take this upstairs, and then my kids can come get their shoes.
It's a remedy, yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say it bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, yeah. There's a remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's a remedy, Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Your peace surrounds me, hope is found right where I am now. I look into your face, all my fear falls away, singing glory to you, God. You undo me again, my Father and my friend, singing glory to you, Lord. I look into your face, all my fear falls away, singing glory to you, God. You undo me again, my Father and my friend, singing glory to you, Lord. Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Your peace surrounds me and hope is found right where I am now. Anytime, any place, when I call on your name, you are there. Anytime, any place, when I call on your name, you are there. Anytime, any place, when I call on your name, you are there. Anytime, any place, when I call on your name, you are there.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Okay guys, so this is the Bissell crosswave, and it's supposed to vacuum and mop at the same time. I'm not convinced just yet. My husband doesn't like it. He doesn't do the cleaning, so he doesn't have to like it, but that was just his opinion, because he did try it out and cleaned the whole downstairs and did the floors and stuff, and he just feels like it's more work than just doing the vacuum and mopping. But I'm lazy and I liked it. Honestly, I felt like it cleaned the floors, and I used really hot water in the little thing with the cleaner that I like. So, I mean, for now, I'm okay. And I was able to do my floors in record time. So I'm okay with it so far. It did make a little bit of a mess with the dirty water, so I had to like empty it out like twice. But my downstairs is a big area. I had to refill it. So I don't know. I just wanted to let you guys know that I was using that. I'm not fully convinced, so I'm not going to recommend it just yet, but we'll see with time.
You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.